Hello everyone, just wanted to add a quick note before my next recipe video. This time we'll be making a delicious chocolate caramel brownie. I found this video on YouTube and it's by Preppy Kitchen. The link is in the description below. Now let's get to it. Enjoy! What's up guys, if you don't already know, my name's Zachary and this is oh, I said my name's Zachary. Okay, let's get it again. What's up guys, if you don't already know, my name's Zoe and this is my little brother Zachary. And today we're going to be making brownies. These brownies are so delicious and so yummy, and they are also super easy to make. These are all of the ingredients. You can like have a little look. If you can't really, just pause the video and have a little look, but the recipe will be in the description below. So I really hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, as I'm opening the last caramel thing, I'm going to get the condensed milk. And I am going to put the condensed milk. I actually don't. I did it.
You said it could run.
Exactly, it's fun. Okay, so
can I see what's in there? I can't.
Okay, so we're gonna like try and get most of the condensed milk out of here. We need to be frequently stirring this because it's going to burn if you're not careful. Okay, Zachary. Okay, so now you go.
My precious things. You're pouring them. It's just nothing like
caramel. But right now we just need to keep on like mixing. I didn't pour like all of the condensed milk out of here, but I'm just going to like wait if it drops. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's like most of it now. I just needed to keep on mixing. If you're liking this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit those notifications so when I send out my next video, you'll be able to know straight away.
And we are going to do a waffle video.
Now that we've been stirring for a little bit, you can turn off the heat, but just keep on mixing. Okay, so now that we've finished doing that, we're going to go and make the brownies. Oh my god. Yeah.
Can I try? Oh my gosh. That's actually not so hard.
This will be like one piece.
Aren't you going to cut that?
Huh?
I'm going to cut that.
No.
Because that's not even working.
Okay, so I got some butter and I've melted the butter. You can see. Okay, we pour it. Okay.
And that is done.
So now we're going to get the cocoa.
And then
we are going to pour the cocoa into here.
As we put the cocoa in, the butter turned kind of black. But
after that, we're going to get the whisk and we are going to mix. This will look very chocolatey right now.
And
not
anyway,
too chocolatey.
Actually looks kind of good.
So we have light brown sugar and we also have normal sugar. We're going to pour the light brown sugar. Going to pour the normal sugar.
This looks cool actually.
I'm also going to mix this up a little bit just to like give it some blam. Okay, so next we are going to take 3 eggs. So I have my first egg.
And it's going to plop.
Okay, once we've done that, I'm going to mix that a little bit, just like to give it some like next, we're going to take the vanilla. I have some vanilla paste. It doesn't matter if you don't have the vanilla paste, you can just use some vanilla extract. And we're going to do a teaspoon.
It's not really close up.
Okay. Next, we're going to get our salt. And instead of doing 1 whole teaspoon, we're going to just do half.
First, pour it over.
I'm going to get the flour. Okay, Zachary's mixed most of that. And we're just going to like pour that flour in.
And then we're going to do like fold it.
We are going to kind of like, as in mixing the simple, we're not going to mix it. We're going to fold the chocolate. You can see that the flour is slowly getting hidden in the chocolate. Oh wow, that went very quickly.
Yeah.
Look, it looks so good. Now we're going to get the chocolate chips. And I'm going to pour in the first chocolate chip.
Oh.
We've got 2 packets because we'd like to make this extra chocolatey.
And then I just
And there we go. Amazing. We're going to take this container. It's about this big. It's going to be a rectangle, and
we are going to have a little
we're just
taste.
going to. There we go.
Can I have a taste, please?
Just slowly. Now I'm leaving about half of this because we're going to put some caramel on top of it, so it's going to be like a sandwich. So now I'm going to go over to the caramel. Oh, my hands are so messy. And we're going to scoop this up, and we're going to put it on top of the brownie. I'm going to put the brownie
Like
in.
a sandwich.
Remember, like, not to touch any like of the inside pan because it's still going to be quite
Very
hot.
hot. Very hot. And just remember, if you want to touch it,
This is one of those
don't.
quick things where you just need to be like,
bing.
that's not even going. Okay, that's going to be like, oh, there we go. You can just like turn it. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy. You know, sometimes when things look messy, they're actually extremely good. We still have a lot of batter. Well, it's not really batter, is it? Try to fill out the sides. If you don't, that's okay. If you don't have any space, then, I mean, it's not like it's going to hurt anybody.
Well, it is going to hurt if you burn yourself.
Yes, it is going to hurt. So be careful. Remember to have an adult with you, just in case you don't burn yourself. Okay, so now we've got the remaining of the chocolate. Oh, it still looks so good. Okay, so we're going to put that on top of our caramel. So now we're just going to be adding the very last bit. Try to get as much of it. Believe me, this is so good. If you are liking this video, just remember to subscribe. I'm trying my very best on here. One of the first times I've ever made brownies, and I think I've done pretty well. So just to like tell me well done, just remember to subscribe and like, and also turn on those post notifications. So the next time you want to make a scrumptious meal, I'll put out my next video, and there'll just be a little notification at the top of your screen.
And we're going to send it to everybody in the world.
We've got the chocolate, we've got the caramel, and we've got more chocolate on top of it. So now, the last thing to do is to put it in the oven. And it is on 175 Celsius. In. And close it. And we're done. So once the brownie is baking, we're going to leave it for about 35 minutes. So now you can enjoy the chocolate that was in the bowl. This is what the brownie looks like now. It looks super yummy. But just make sure that it is like okay and so that it holds together when we cut it. I'm just going to test it to the middle. And the middle is good. This brownie is ready to eat and it looks amazing.
Yep, it looks amazing. What's up, guys?
Now that we've made this amazing caramel brownie, we're going to taste it. So Zachary, do the honours.
Just like a cake, we are going to cut it. Hope it looks good.
Well, it looks quite nice actually.
Does it taste nice?
Look how chocolatey that looks.
Look at it. And if you see the yellow bits, that's just caramel. Can I taste it, Zoe? Can I taste it?
The amazing taste. Oh my god, it is so
magnificent. because it is kind of sticky.
Mm.
Sticky sticks.
This is so good.
And just remember to subscribe down below.
Yeah. Subscribe down below, like and subscribe, and remember to turn on those post notifications. I really hope you enjoyed making these just as much as I enjoyed it. A wonderful day of making brownies. It looks so good.
Yeah. First one.
One of the most delicious brownies ever.